morning and welcome to another Dale Farm video. I'm just going to take you through what's been going on day by day, life on the farm since lockdown. So I hope you enjoy. Here we are, sunrise on a new day. So I just thought I would take you and show you the rest of the Highland cows. So this is the main breeding cows up here, and they live up in this woodland. Oh, sunny. Sorry if that got your eyes. They live up in this woodland with beautiful views, and then they'll come down onto the land to calve in April. Nice wee ladies. Morning, girls. Love daffodils. And don't they look glorious in the sunshine? It's another beautiful morning. Had a few days of good weather.
Pardon?
We've got what are you on with today?
Rolling the meadows down where the cattle are in the winter. I chain harrowed them yesterday and it's ideal for doing, so that's today's job.
So this morning Dad's brought the old tractor up and he's going to bring a roller down. So it's what, the 25th of March, and the sheep are sheltering in the shade under the wall because it's too warm for them. You can see this girl, he's got a pant on. Crazy warm. I've got my shorts on, following in Nick's footsteps. I am wearing shorts. Dad's still in his trousers, of course.
Well, I'm just rolling these ruts down after we had all the rock removed in the November time to when we're making the feeding area, and it's making a good job.
What's the tractor?
The tractor's a 1975...
You might have to say it towards the camera.
Sorry, towards camera. A 1975 MTZ 52 Super.
Where'd you get it from?
It's a Polaris, came from Browns of Liversedge.
Good worker?
Brilliant.
Everywhere's looking well. Have you seen all the sheep are sheltering behind this wall?
That's very good job. The roller's a ballast roller, and it's, I think, 3 ton at least. It's a really heavy, you need a decent sized tractor on some of our banky fields. It pushes you down the slope, so like 4-wheel drive tractors essentially, really. So off we go.
Enjoy! Look at that for another perfect picture postcard scene in Derbyshire on 26th of March, I think it is today. Another beautiful day. Wow, we're so lucky. So lucky to live here. Don't take it for granted at all. This is one of my favourite views. Just to stand here and go, wow. It's like the whole world's in front of you. One of the best.
Oh yeah. What's he called?
Nick's got a sheep that's been worried by a dog. So it's Thursday night and we're running low on a few things. So it's our first drive out in the car since we've been locked down. Just going straight to the supermarket and then coming back. And we've heard that there are reports of the police stopping people and asking them for ID and proof of I don't know, where they're going or giving a reason of why they're going somewhere. So I'm kind of being wary of that. But just want to get in and get out and sanitise my hands, to be quite honest. The super spreading zones looks busy, which is not what we wanted. We've got our hand sanitizer ready for when we get out. So they've got courgettes, which I'm happy about. Been briefed on the way into the store. We've got to stay 2 metres apart from one another. It's not too busy in here. It's okay. There's not been any frozen veg for ages. This is the current situation with the drains. Trying to get the drains in today. Unfortunately, they dug them once and they put them in wrong, so they've had to do it twice. Dad says it's like faulty towers. Here we go. Another day, another sunrise. Getting up really early, getting practice in for those early lambing mornings. Been a little bit frosty again this morning. More cloud. The air is really cold. It's like a freezing cloud. So I'm just going to head back down to the farm and make a cuppa and see what's what. So I might be quarantined. I might be on lockdown. Not going to see anyone. But I'm still going to keep trying to look after myself, and today I feel like I need a bit of lippy. So I'm keeping busy today with some rhubarb. I'm going to make 2 rhubarb crumbles. One of them is for the family here and one of them I'm going to drop off down the road at David's, my dad's cousin who's in his 70s. A week or 2 ago there was absolutely zero hope of having plain flour, so plain flour, very happy about that. Gonna make my crumble topping. So I always make my crumble topping in a separate tray, butter, flour and sugar, and cook it separately and then put it on top to finish it off on top of the fruit because I watched a Raymond Blanc cooking video and he said it gets the crumble nice and crispy without making it go soggy. David, I've made you a crumble.
You're gonna have to put it down on the floor and walk
Shall I
away.
put it on the ground 2 meters away? I made you a crumble. So if I just put it down here and then you can take it. Is that okay? Freshly made, it's warm.
Nice day for it.
I know.
When you get home, David, just make sure you wash your hands after touching it as well.
I think it'll be okay. Me and Nick,
We're pretty clean anyway.
me and Nick haven't seen anybody or whatever.
Anyway, it's lovely. Around there.
Yeah, and I'll try and make something else as well. Maybe I might make a tea bread. You like a fruit bread? So. All right then.
See you.
Bye. That is going for it, isn't it?
Glow.
Felix. Okay, that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've liked the content. If you have, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more from us at Dale Farm. Thanks again for watching and see you in another video very soon. Bye.